Hi kids, we are going to do our next activity today. Let's get ready. The materials you need today are a drawing paper, a pencil, an eraser, watercolor pencils, a paintbrush, water, and this fine needle black pen. You know today our number is number 9. Now I am drawing number 9 on my drawing paper. Number 9. I have drawn number 9. Today I am going to draw a parrot. This is the beak. Now I am drawing its eye. One of its eyes. There are two eyes. One eye is on this side. Now I am drawing a wing like this. One of its wings. Then the other wing. This is the other wing. Now I am going to draw its tail feathers. Tail feathers. Now I am drawing its tail feathers. Next I am going to draw its legs. Legs. What I am going to draw next is the twig the parrot is perching on. I have started to color the parrot. Here I am using this light green watercolor pencil to color its feathers. Look, I have completed the coloring of its feathers. Now I am going to use water to spread this light green color. Now you can see very beautiful light green color. Next I am using this dark green pencil to highlight its feathers. Now I am using water to get more darker green color. Now I am painting its beak with this red color pencil. And I am going to use the same pencil to highlight its red ring around its neck. Next I am using this light blue color pencil to color its eye. Now I am painting the pupil of the eye using this black color pencil. Here I am leaving a white spot in the middle of the eye. Now I am going to color its feet using this peach color pencil. Next I am painting the twig with this brown color pencil. Now I am using water to spread the brown color. Now we have come to the last step. I am using this fine needle black pen to draw outer lines like this. Now look at the picture. We have drawn a beautiful parrot starting from number 9. Number 9. Try to draw this beautiful parrot and enjoy it. This is the end of our activity. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.